Every year, millions of cars reach the end of their journey.
But their story doesn't end here.
This is where transformation begins.
Old cars arrive from cities across the country.
Each vehicle is logged and inspected. Every car tells a history. Heavy machinery takes control. Sorting begins at scale. Steel, aluminum, and waste are separated. Only recyclable material moves forward. The recycling line starts here.
Human oversight ensures precision.
Every movement is monitored. Ahead lies the heart of the process.
Where old cars are reduced to raw material.
The next stage is irreversible. And there is no turning back. The real transformation begins inside the shredding zone. Old vehicles are prepared for their final breakdown. Hydraulic machines handle vehicles with precision. Each car enters the system one by one. At the heart of the plant stands the shredder. This machine is designed to destroy anything in its path. Operators monitor every movement. The crushing process begins. Thousands of tons of force tear steel apart. Cars are reduced in seconds. Everything is broken down to fragments. What exits is raw recyclable material. Material moves immediately to separation. The system never stops.
Human oversight ensures efficiency.
Sensors analyze material density. Steel is identified and isolated. Magnetic force does the sorting. Pure steel continues forward.
Non-recyclable waste is removed.
Steel is refined further. Size consistency is critical. Material is now ready for melting. This is industrial choreography. Millions of cars follow the same path. Environmental controls remain active. Every second is monitored. The journey continues beyond shredding. Next, steel will be reborn. After shredding, the steel enters the melting stage. Tons of recycled steel are prepared for extreme heat. Temperatures here reach over 1,600 degrees Celsius. Electric arc furnaces melt steel with immense energy. The metal begins to liquefy under controlled conditions.
Solid steel transforms into molten metal.
Every state is carefully monitored.
Precision is critical at this stage. Engineers fine-tune the melting process.
Impurities rise to the surface as slag. The melt becomes cleaner and more uniform. Once ready, the molten steel is prepared for transfer. The liquid steel flows into transport ladles. Molten steel moves to the next refining stage. Timing and stability are essential. The steel remains at extreme temperatures. Melting is complete. Refinement begins next.
The temperature readings on Sector 4 seem high.
Yes, we are seeing a slight fluctuation in the oxygen levels. Adjust the flow rate by 5%.